Hey everybody, I've got to make this pretty quick because I don't have a whole lot of time left to be able to video. Anyway, my name's Tracy Smith and I'm going to do a little quick tutorial on what to do with those nails. I've a nail tech for, it'll be 30 years in September, so hopefully I'll be able to help somebody. I want to help my customers, but I know everybody's nails are probably pretty much in a mess right now, including mine, because I felt sorry for my customers. Haven't even done my own in several weeks now, and they are all grown out, as you can see right there. And I actually have one that I've already glued a tip on, and I'm just going to tell you a few things. The tip, if you have one that's broken, I just bought these, I think, at Walmart, and they're come in different sizes, and you just want to pick one that is closest to that nail size. And I like to get tips that have this little extra lip on it. Let's see if I can get that where you can see it. Right here, see there's a little bit of extra lip right there. Anyway, it gives you a little bit more to put on your nail. So it's attached a little bit better. Anyway, so you take your glue and just put one drop right there, and then put it down. Hold it until you know it's sticking pretty good. And then, so I've already done that much. So what I'm going to do now is just take my clippers, and I'm going to clip on this side, and then on the other side, and then you can just kind of chisel it down from there. I'm just going to trim it just a little bit right now, because what I want to do first of all is, let's see, I've got it down, and then you shape it with your fingernail file. And you want one of these bigger boards. I like the 100 grit coarse ones when I'm doing this type of stuff. So then just smooth it up, and you can even do like this to kind of even it up around the back side and smooth it up a little bit, or you can take your buffer and just do this a little bit, and that way it kind of makes it a little bit more flush around the back side. And then you've got your tip glued on, okay? And for my nails, I have a gel top coat on, and I have polish underneath. So what I want to do right now is just soak off that gel top coat. So I'm going to use 100% pure acetone. You see here it says 100% pure acetone. A lot of them do say polish remover, but you've got to have some that says 100% pure acetone, because it's not going to soak it all the way off if you don't have the 100%. So wherever you can find it, Walmart carries it, Dollar General carries it, Sally's carries it, so wherever you can find it. So I'm going to pour a little bit in these two cups. Make sure you have glass cups, because if you pour it in plastic or styrofoam or whatever, it's just going to melt it. And for myself, it is only going to take about a minute to soak off my gel top coat. And so I'm going to put this on pause just a little bit, and I'll be right back. So I am still soaking. It shouldn't take too long if you had just the gel top coat. I have it off of one hand, and I'm working on the other. So I did not put the tip in that I had glued on, because if I do, then it would absolutely